We are facing a dual challenge. We need to decarbonize heat, electricity, chemicals and fuels if we want to live up to our commitment to the Paris Agreement. And if we want at the same time not to sacrifice our standard of living and foster economic and social growth, then energy efficiency is at the center of this challenge. And actually, energy efficiency is considered as the biggest single contributor to meet the Paris Agreement, with a 45% reduction of CO2 emission coming from energy efficiency. With heat exchangers, there are three main methodologies to drive energy efficiency. The first one is improving an existing installation. Our plate heat exchangers are 20 to 50% more efficient than the traditional shell and tube technologies. The second way is to secure a good operation of existing heat exchangers. And the third way is actually to hunt for waste energy stream that can be reused for other purposes. Every year, the savings of ALFA LAVAL heat exchangers that are newly installed correspond to 50 gigawatts of energy recovery. 50 gigawatt is the equivalent of the power needed to heat 10 million homes in Europe. This is a huge impact, isn't it? Energy efficiency projects offers typically a very good payback and usually very low risk because they are using very well-proven technologies. It also offers a competitive edge for our customers, and of course it is also a key element on the journey to reach a carbon neutral target, a journey that many companies are starting now. Energy efficiency is a win-win. It's a good payback and good for the bottom line, and it's good for the planet. We have the technologies, we just need to make it happen. We will survive, we will solve it.